Ahead of them, a herd of Cape buffalo forms a crescent. Bulls weighing over 2,000 pounds hold the front line, curved horns like scythes aimed directly at the attackers. This is not a chase, this is a confrontation between two survival strategies honed over millions of years. Lions. The only social species among the great cats, stake everything on collective tactics. 90% of all hunts are carried out by the females. Cape buffalo, a fortress of muscle and horn, answer with the power of the herd. When threatened, the entire group turns back to rescue their own. The lioness charges. The buffalo do not run. They counterattack. A bull tosses the lioness into the air, horns twisting with enough force to shatter bone. In this land, even the hunter can become the hunted. And the continent's largest freshwater lake meets an endless expanse of swamp. This is a place where everything runs to extremes, from temperature to competition, from drought to flood. Where the Rwenzori Mountains rise over 16,400 feet along the equator, their peaks capped in year-round snow, a geographical paradox that belongs to Uganda alone. And only one law governs all: adapt or vanish. How does one adapt when every corner of this land poses an entirely different challenge, when the fastest are still caught and the strongest still fall? The answers lie scattered across every habitat, from rivers, where time stands still, to canopies, where intelligence decides everything. And the journey begins where water rules all on the banks of the White Nile, where an ancient predator is waiting. It has been waiting for 80 million years. A few more hours make no difference. The White Nile, a river that flows in silence through the heart of Uganda. Beneath the surface, two clouded yellow eyes emerge motionless as stones. Nile crocodile. Its design has remained virtually unchanged since the age of dinosaurs because there is no need to alter what is already perfect. Stretching up to 16 feet, weighing over 1,500 pounds, a machine refined by evolution for a single purpose: waiting.